Do you want to transform your ordinary video footage into a high-budget, Hollywood-style cinematic intro? Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, go to the Media tab, open Library, and drag a black background onto your timeline. Next, click on the text tool, add a default text, and type your title. Here, we're writing Joseab Edits. Typography is key here, so go to the font section and select a bold, impactful font, just like the one I've selected here. Adjust the font size and spacing so it stands out clearly on the screen. Now, let's add motion to our text. Add a scale keyframe at the start of the text layer. Then, move your playhead forward, add another keyframe, and zoom the scale all the way up to 500%, until the text zooms past the screen.
This creates a smooth forward camera movement that gives a super cinematic depth once we apply masking. Play it back to check the speed, and then export this text animation file in high quality. Now for the magic trick. Drag your main cinematic footage onto the primary timeline. Take the text video we just exported and place it right above your main footage as an overlay. Select the text layer, head over to basic settings on the right side, scroll down to blend mode, and change it to multiply. Boom! The black background disappears, revealing your car footage right through the text. To make the intro even more engaging, select the overlay text clip, go to the animation tab, and apply a zoom in effect from the in/out animation menu. This smoothly reveals the text and seamlessly blends it with the footage for a realistic 3D depth effect. For sound design, don't forget to pair this with a punchy cinematic background track.
And there you have it. Your professional cinematic text reveal intro is ready. If you found this CapCut PC tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fast and easy video editing tips. See you in the next video.